This is the guided practice for 5.1. It's on page 348. Go ahead and follow along as I do this. The first two are talking about situations with an integer and explain what the meaning of 0 is in each situation. So number 1 says 15-yard gain. So anytime you see the word gain, you know you're getting a positive something. So plus 15 is how to write that. What it means, the meaning of 0 in this situation would be 0 equals no gain or loss. Okay, so you're not going to get something or lose something. That's what 0 is. So 15-yard gain would be a plus 15. All right, number 2, a loss minus 2 hours. And 0 equals no gain of hours or loss of hours. Okay? Now, let's do some graphing. You don't see any numbers on this graph line, so you decide where you want to put them. I'm going to start with 0 right here. If I'm going this way, it's going to be positive. 1, 2. If I go that way from 0, it's going to be negative. Negative 1, negative 2. And I want to put negative 2 on the line. It's right there. Okay. Next one, I have 3 numbers. I'm going to do the same thing with 0 here. Going positive 1, positive 2. Negative 1, negative 2. Alright, so I'm going to do negative 1 first. Come here. There you go. Then we'll do 1 next. Good. And then we'll do 0, and that's right there. Okay? Graphing on a number line. Number 5, the data set, positive 5, 0, negative 15, and positive 20, shows the number of points Delaney scored on each hand of a card game. Graph the scores. Explain the meaning of 0 in this situation. Well, 0 means that she got no points. She didn't get positive points. She didn't get negative. She didn't lose points. She didn't gain points. But let's, I'm going to come to the center there and put the 0. Since I'm dealing with higher numbers, I'm going to do it by 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Then if I go this way, I've got to do negative 5, negative 10, negative 15, negative 20. Okay? So let's start with the first one. Positive 5, right there. Then 0, right there. And then we have a negative 15. Not a good round. And then a positive 20, which is a great round. There you go. Okay, so I've graphed them on those. Not too bad to think about how to write a situation and how to put a number on a number line. Graph a number. An integer. Okay? Go ahead and go on to the independent practice, page 349, numbers 1 through 8.